This first award is close to my own heart because it comes from the president of ANCC. I have the honor of choosing the recipient. It's called the Margretta Madden Stiles President's Award. This award recognizes exceptional leaders who have advanced the mission, vision, and strategic goals of the American Nursing Credentialing Center. This year's recipient has been there from the earliest days of both ANCC and the Magnet program. My esteemed presidential predecessor, Dr. Michael Evans, a proud, lifelong Texan and dedicated to nursing for his entire career. He has served as a professor and a dean. He holds the University Medical Center Endowed Chair for Excellence in Nursing at Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center School of Nursing. He's also been a chief nursing officer in several organizations. He was president of Texas Nurses Association and is a fellow in the American Academy of Nursing. Dr. Evans has been an invaluable ANCC board member for the past 9 years. He served as our president from 2011 through 2015. Believe me, those have been big boots to fill. During his tenure, ANCC enjoyed growth in every sector, especially in the quality of the Magnet and Pathway programs, and the number of them participating in each. As he continues his brilliant career, he's an ambassador and a strong supporter of ANA Enterprise. So please join me in welcoming the 2018 recipient of the Margretta Madden Stiles President Award, educator, leader, visionary, and an extraordinary nurse, Dr. Michael Evans.
Thank you very much. Thank you, President Reed-Ponte. It's wonderful being back on the Magnet stage. We're also grateful for your good work, for all the good work of ANCC. I'm very honored to receive this award, and doubly so because it bears the name of Dr. Margretta Madden Stiles. I may be the only recipient of this award ever to have worked very closely with Dr. Stiles, and she preferred to be called simply Greta. She is the only nurse to have served as president of ANA, president of ANCC, and president of the International Council of Nurses, ICN. Very big deals, all three of them. She has the distinction of being the founder of nurse credentialing and the person to have proposed to the creation of ANCC. Greta studied credentialing before proposing that ANA, on behalf of the nursing profession, should formalize nurse credentialing and should develop programs to recognize individual nurses as well as organizations for excellence in nursing. I was a member of the ANA Board of Directors when ANCC was born. And when Greta had a small group of nurses, she led a small group of nurses to conceive of to propose of the Magnet Recognition Program. As the only hospital CNO on the ANA board at that time, I was also a member of this small group. We did not know for sure if there would ever be a single hospital willing to undergo the tremendous transformation necessary to be recognized as Magnet. But Greta knew in her heart that the desire for excellence would drive the very best organizations to want to be so recognized. And furthermore, she believed that industry competition would cause more and more hospitals to desire to become Magnets. And she was right. And here you are. Here we all are. That's called vision. Greta would be, and I believe in fact is, very pleased to see nearly 500 hospitals around the world bearing the distinction of Magnet and all that the designation means. I am deeply honored to have been a part of that early work. Greta was my friend and mentor. We lost her far before we were ready to see her go, but she lives on in many, many ways. Without her vision and leadership, this huge hall could very easily be empty today. My years spent on the ANCC board and the 4 years I spent as president are among the most rewarding years of my career thus far. During my time as president, I was so pleased to see all of the ANCC programs grow and thrive around the world. certification programs, the accreditation of continuing education programs, and the organizational recognition programs, Magnet and Pathway to Excellence, all grew, and they're all growing. I was pleased to see the number of Magnet facilities grow to where we are now, both in the US and globally. And this has become one of the largest healthcare conferences, I believe the largest healthcare conference in the world, celebrating organizational excellence and in the outcomes of care. Again, my deep gratitude for this recognition. Thank you very much.